Hello, my name is Sauer from EMSNow here in Nuremberg at SMT Nuremberg. I'd like to welcome Mr. Henk Biemans here, and thank you for talking to us. Mr. Biemans is from MEK, that is formerly known as Marantz. Mr. Biemans, so tell us a little bit about the history of how you went from Marantz and what your product was then to now being known as MEK.
Yeah. Marantz is originally an audio company for building audio equipment, CD players, amplifiers, etc. And for internal use, we developed 15 years ago an AOI system that we meanwhile start to sell outside, and currently have an installed base of around 5,000 units. Mm-hmm. About 10 years ago, the audio business in Japan was separated from the AOI business, and the company has established under the name MEK, mm-hmm. Yeah, Marantz Electronics Incorporated.
So do you say MEK or do you say MEK?
Well, we say, in Japan they say MEK, in Europe we prefer to say MEK.
Okay.
Yeah. So in 2011 we have separated from the audio divisions of Marantz here in Europe, and we founded MEK Europe, mm-hmm. in the Netherlands, in Eindhoven area.
Okay. Yeah. So we're now in Germany at a very important trade fair, the SMT Nuremberg. What are your expectations of the show, and how important do you see SMT Nuremberg as a platform to show your products?
Yeah. Well, SMT show is especially important for the German-speaking area and the Eastern European countries. There's a lot of visitors. It's very lively, mm-hmm. and the cooperation with our German distributor is very good. So we think it's more specific customers are visiting us here than, for example, the global trade show Productronica, where we will be exhibited in November. So no, the show is very important, and that's why we decided here to introduce our new platform at the show.
Yeah. So what sort of platform can your customers expect to see?
Yeah. The current platform that we have in MEK, called iSpector, mm-hmm. is now being replaced by the new generation. It's called PowerSpector. PowerSpector platform has new designs, completely new mechanics, and most importantly, a new optical head. An optical head which is equipped with high-speed side cameras, about 10 times faster than the previous generation. As well as the possibility to have a dynamic moving head in the height. So mm-hmm. We call it a Z-axis. Yeah.
So is that relevant to a whole spectrum of customers, or is it very much restricted to niche markets?
It's relevant to the whole spectrum. Everybody has to deal with different PCB thicknesses, mm-hmm. and especially when using side cameras, it's of ultimate importance that the surface of the PCB is at a fixed mm-hmm. inspection level. And if this surface is deviating with the dynamic Z-axis, you can adjust the surface so that it matches mm-hmm. exactly the point that you are inspecting.
So it seems there is a trend for more complicated boards with a mixture of components on, so I guess that an AOI inspection system like you're offering is more and more important to receive the quality feedback that you need. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's more and more important. What we see also the trend in components with hidden leads, leads that are not visible from the top. Mm-hmm. Yeah, QFNs, J leads, but also gull wings are typically easier to inspect from the side than from the top. So we see an increasing demand for side cameras, mm-hmm. and thus the offering of high quality side camera performance, including, for example, a Z-axis, mm-hmm. is matching the new technologies.
Okay. Well, we're on the second day of the show. How was the first day for you?
The first day was very good. It was about 20% more people, more leads than we received last year. Mm-hmm. The second day is absolutely busy.
It's traditionally the busiest day, so yes.
It's looking very good so far.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Brilliant. Well, I hope that you have lots of nice leads out of the show, and I wish you all the best for the new product and the introduction, and I hope to speak to you very soon.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.